Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do both sneakers and tech. I actually have a new pair of Nike Air Force Ones that I'm excited to unbox and share with you guys, put it on feet as well. And we also have a new smartphone. This is the Realme 6i. So we'll be taking out of the box, taking a closer look, all that fun, all that good stuff. By the way, one of the best smartphones that you can buy for under 10,000 pesos or $200. So if that excites you, let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a Realme C3 smartphone. So hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page, and then click the link in the description box so you can see the rest of the mechanics of our giveaway. Okay guys, so let's jump right into the smartphone. This is the new Realme 6i. It hasn't released. Take two. This is the Realme 6i. It hasn't released in the Philippines yet. It will be officially launching next week, May 13, 7 p.m. on the Realme Philippines Facebook page. So you guys might want to check out their Facebook page, give them a like. Who knows, they might do like a launch promo come launch day. Now, just to give you guys a quick background, this is part of the Realme 6 series, and there are currently 3 phones in that line. You have the Realme 6i, which is their entry-level, less than 10,000 peso option. You have the Realme 6, which has a better display, better camera. And then you have, of course, the Realme 6 Pro, which brings a lot of advanced specs to the table that we will talk about very soon. So for today, we're going to focus on this, the entry-level bad boy of the Realme 6 line, which is the Realme 6i. As you can see, yellow box, 6i, pop the box open. I actually played around with the phone already, so this is kind of unboxed, reboxed. This is what the phone looks like. And one of the first things that I immediately noticed was how the back kind of reminds me of Rimowa luggage. You know, all of those aluminum luggage cases for Rimowa with the lines running across. That's the vibe I'm getting with the plastic back of the phone right here. By the way, if you're wondering, the front is, I think it's a Gorilla Glass 3 display. It is 720 pixels, so it's not 728p pixels. So it's not necessarily like full HD, but it is still HD. And the great thing about that, sometimes people think that's such a bad thing. The great thing about that is that they paired the 720p display with 5,000 milliamperes of battery. So you have a ginormous, massive, ridiculously cavernous, I'm running out of adjectives, battery combined with a 720p display. So what you can actually get is ridiculous battery life on this phone. I haven't tested it, I just got it today, but I'm pretty confident that regardless what it is that you're going to do, videos, playing games, the battery should hold up. Also has a 48 megapixel camera sensor, quad camera sensor here at the back, and then you have a 16 megapixel shooter here at the front. I haven't tried either of the cameras yet, so watch out for my full review when it drops next week. Now powering this bad boy is a Helio G80 processor, which is one of the new processors of MediaTek, which should be more than enough to get you through your gaming fix, be it Mobile Legends, NBA 2K20, as long as you optimize the settings. So we'll set the phone aside first and take a look at what else is inside the box. Of course, as with most Realme smartphones, you get the free silicone jelly case, which is much appreciated. And it doesn't come with headphones, but you do have your typical USB to USB-C cable and then your charging block. Again, guys, watch out for the full review coming soon and make sure you tune in to the Realme Philippines Facebook page come May 13. Okay, so that's it for the phone. And at this point, I'd like to do the unboxing of the sneaker. Now, if you guys have been following this channel for a while, you know that my favorite shoe is the Nike Air Force One, one of my favorite shoes. And you probably know that I am totally madly, well, not only madly, but I really love the Nike Air Force One React. And I have a couple of pairs. I have the black one, I have the black, red, and white one, and I have the white with black, red one. So yeah, all of those colors. And I saw that they recently released a triple white version of the Air Force One React. And seeing as it was a React Air Force One and it was a triple white, I just couldn't pass. So I bought it from the Nike Philippines website and it just arrived today, well, yesterday. So I just wanted to show it to you guys. So as you can see, it comes in your typical Nike Air Force One box. You have details over here. I did go through to size. If you pop the box open, you have tissue paper that says AF1, 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 and then ba-bam! Whoop! Clean AF. You have the Nike Air Force One React. So you have that leather upper, and then it becomes some sort of like soft mesh, which is more breathable here along the side panels. You have the printed swoosh, which a lot of people hate. They prefer the attached leather swoosh. And then you have the Dimension 6 branding here along the medial side, and then you have Air on the midsole with React written on it. If you pop this one open, if you just in case you guys haven't seen my earlier reviews of the Nike Air Force One React, they actually have a massive React midsole, drop-in midsole or insole that also is your midsole over here. So this is what gives you that super mega comfortable like memory foam feeling as you are walking in these shoes. It's kind of like you're walking on Tempur Air Force Ones. That's like the vibe and that's the feel that I get with this shoe. So this one, I got it for a little over 6,000 pesos. I kind of forgot. But yeah, really happy to add this to my growing Air Force One collection as well as my Air Force One React collection. Now, I want to give you guys a teaser for the next vlog because it's still kind of early. It's just like, I don't know, like 6-7 minutes on the vlog. This is a sneaker that was customized by an artist who was looking to pay tribute to our frontliners, COVID-19 frontliners, especially the medical staff, the doctors, the nurses. Those guys are just saving people, not just here in the Philippines, but around the world. Even Piers Morgan in London, in UK, had to say publicly during a show, he had to acknowledge Filipino nurses in London and how they're out there, you know, working with the NIH, I forgot what it's called, NHS, National Health Service or something like that, helping everybody who was sick. So anyway, this is a custom Nike Air Force One, paying tribute to nurses. I will be talking more about this in the next vlog, so watch out for that. Most likely, that will be the vlog that succeeds this one or that follows this one. So I am uploading this on a Friday, so this should be on the vlog Saturday. So yeah, guys, that's actually it for the vlog for today. We got to unbox the Realme 6i smartphone, and we got to unbox and check out this new Nike Air Force One React. That's it for now. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.